Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this video as a weekly recap and trades taken last week. So let's get started. This is the first trade on the June 9th, USD CAD 20-minute chart. This is the entry here, and you can see the entry buy orders right there, and a sell move to break even plus. Buy entry was on last Friday, so it was, last open last Friday, but closed on Monday. So it is 75 pip. All the trades you'll see, you will see that the trade is open here on the yellow mark, an entry, and SL is right there, right? So this is the first one. The second one is Euro Aussie from 7-minute chart on the 10th. This is a sell order right there. Every single trade is by the setup. Without the setup, you don't even open the trade. This is for 100 pip from 7-minute chart, right? And this is on the 10th, US 30. Beautiful by the book entry, sell orders right there, all the way down. This one is gold coming off of 23.11 to 22.92, sell orders right there on the 10th. This is on the 10th, it's oil, crude oil going to the upside. It was with my analysis. All of these trades, after taken on the basis of the analysis. I'll show you some charts later on. So this is the buy orders right there. Beautiful by the book entry and all the way there. Pound Aussie. This is it's not a trade basically. I opened this trade, recorded this 30 pip just to show that how I make the entry, and then if I come and sit on the break even, and if the price comes back and hit my SL, then I lose nothing. That's how it is. Somebody, some people wanted to see my losers. So these are the losers on break even most of the time. See, this is what happened. See that? 30 pip was positive. I sit on a break even. The price comes and I hit my SL. Thank you very much. Bye bye. And no hard feelings. This is pound yen, 70 pip to the long side here, right? So if it goes in my direction, then yeah, more than 50 pip, I record the chart and I close the trade based on the resistance, whatever it is, right? Like for this one, this was R1 here, right? Daily pivot, R1. This is the pivot and gets there. I have a reasonable amount of pivots, 70 pip, close the trade. This is how it is. Now, a Euro Aussie going down here. The same thing I did, so just to show that, okay, 36 pip positive, and I'm still going to break even. If it comes back and hit my SL, I make only 5 pip, right? And out of the trade. But my target was, look, 75 pip here. That's reasonable. And then I would close the trade. That's what I said in this chart, right? 36 pip positive, but I'm sitting on a break even. So now the game is what? If the price goes against me and hit my SL, thank you, I'm out with 5 pip profit. If not, my target is there, right? Look what happened to this chart, hit the target to the pip. And that's where I close the trade for 75 pip. Got it? So this is how the system works. And this is Euro Aussie 30 pip. Oh, this was the trade, the entry, right? And then it start to go down here. Excuse me, the entry recorded the entry chart went after, no big deal, right? So I survived my entry, survived here, and then 75 pip trade, right? This one, USD yen 11th, see the entry, and then price never came back here down. So my entry survived and it went up. Is again, this is the same. What I'm doing is I'm showing the entry, the 20 pip positive here, right? This one also came back and hit my SL. Right, so I lost that one as well. Now on the 11th, so this is one. See this entry here, and then it just straight went up, never came back. 85 pip, and then I closed the trade. So the one that running more than 50, I hold, and then I close them with profit. Less than 50, I just sit there. And if it goes above 50, fine. If not, comes back and hit my SL at break even, no big deal. Now, 60 pip from this entry all the way there. This is pound yen from 7-minute chart. On the 12th, Aussie yen as well. Yen started to get weaker and all yen pair went up. Buy orders right there. 65 pip from this entry to there. Actually, it went up even more. You will see later on. So Euro Aussies from 7-minute chart, short entry is right there. Here, I just survived hardly and it came down all the way to 90 pip on the 12th. On the 12th, this is S&P 500, beautiful entry, and all the way from 53.65 to 54.35. This one is gold, right? Buy orders right there, entry, and then it went all the way there, came back, and then started to go up. So 23.12 to 23.35. On the 12th, Aussie yen 7-minute chart, long entry here, all the way to 75 pips. And on the 12th, Nikkei, Japan's Nikkei, sell orders right there, and all the way down from 39,118 to 38,788. Right? On the 13th, Euro Yen 7-minute, beautiful entry by the book, and then all the way 85 pip. You can see here that, here you see that it went up there, but I did move my SL. So I survived here. It came down, and my SL was still there, right here. So I survived, and it went up all the way. Because I had a bad pattern in place, I said, well, that will work out, hopefully, and so I didn't move the SL. This one, pound yen and USD yen, you'll see those trades of the USD yen right there, right? So I made the chart that, harmonic pattern in place, and it's going to go up. So it started to go up, came back down, and then again went up for 70 pip. This one, pound yen, some of those harmonic patterns, I'll show you at the end. This is buy orders right there. And then again, did the same thing, went up. For some reason, they all came down, but my, SL survived here. And then another entry, beautiful entry, another entry, but it went all the way to 70 pips here on the 13th. On the 13th, Euro USD is from a 7-minute chart. This is also based on a harmonic pattern, Gertley pattern. I'll show you. This is for 115 pip. This is a pound yen 7-minute chart based on a butterfly pattern. I'll show you later. And it is all for 95 pip. And once the pattern was finished, it reversed, and then it gave me a 95 pip to the downside as well. So USD yen also buy order. This little arrow, that's EA. All of these trades are taken by the EA. EA means my robot, automatic robot I have in place, right? And it opens the trade automatically, plays the SL automatically. Later on, I move my SL to break even. It moved the SL to break even, but I move a little bit more manually, like blocking like 5 to 6 pip here, just like that. A little bit above my buy order. 5-6 pip. Okay, on the 14th, see this CAD yen for 90 pip from 20-minute chart. And this one is pound USD from 7-minute chart. Beautiful entry. First entry got knocked out. Boom, again. The second entry and 70 pip to the downside. And Euro Yen 7-minute chart. Beautiful by the book entry. Came down, entry, then entry, then entry. And, my first entry just took all the way to 70 pip. Sell orders right there. And on the 14 pound, this is the one I was talking about, that after the butterfly pattern finished, it reversed and gave me 95 pip to the downside anyway. And on the 14, Japan's Nikkei again, short side here, and these are the ones. Let me show you a couple of harmonic patterns and the trade taken because of that. Euro USD, for example. So let me show you. So Euro USD, for Euro USD, I made this chart, right? This is a harmonic pattern Gertley in the making. It's not finished yet. And from C to D, this is how I trade. And it's a very lucrative way to trade. And then from D, you can trade as well. I have the chart made that, maybe next week it's going to bounce from D and then go up. I'll show you the chart in a minute. But from this chart, what happened to this chart, let me show you. What happened to this chart is this. It dropped from it. And that's why, that's how I got that Euro USD. 415 pip to the downside. We just saw it. Let me just show you again. Euro USD, the one I had, this one. This is because of that chart, right? Similarly, I have made this chart. I made this chart for pound yen, right? That it is going for this 127 target for butterfly, right? It was here. So I had two trades going to the upside, one for 70 and one for 95. And finally, this thing hit the target like this. So 70 pip was here, then it came down again, and then 95 pip all the way touching the target, right? After that, it started, supposed to drop, and it stopped. It started to drop, and then I had that, let me show you. So this is us going to the upside, and pound yen. This is coming down again from the top. Now, let me show you the chart that I have in mind here. It's going to be very good setup if it's start to work out. So we completed the Gertley pattern. Now it is a completed bullish Gertley pattern, right? As well as harmonic, as well as the Elliott wave 1 and 2, right? So this is how usually it works out. So Elliott wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C correction after that, right? And when the Elliott wave are unfolding, they are making these patterns here. So this is this Gertley, Bat, or Bertley here between 1 and 2, right? Wave 1 and 2 followed by wave 3. That's exactly what's happening here. Live chart. This is USD index. Where the heck is? Oh, let me just show you the chart that I made. So this is what it is. See wave 1, 2, and then it will be followed by wave 3. Big wave to the upside, just like this one. Okay, so be ready. If I'm right, if my chart is good, then it can go to the upside. For that to happen, what we need is USD weakness, big time, right? Now, a news is circulating in the market that there was a 50-year-old agreement between Saudi Arabia and United States for a petrodollar. If you all remember that Saudi cannot sell oil except dollar, only US dollar, right? In that currency. So the whole world, whoever wants to buy the oil from Saudi Arabia, needed to get or acquire some dollars first, US dollar, and then buy the oil, right? Now that that agreement is finished on June 9th, this month, on the 9th, now the world do not need dollar to buy oil from Saudi Arabia. That agreement is expired, right? So what will happen is that I think personally, I think that the demand for US dollar will decrease drastically. And with that, a US dollar can get weaker. And see, Euro USD is on the right hand side. So this might be taking this Euro USD big time to the upside. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. So this is a very good setup. Pay attention to that. And with that, this is it for now. And this is my current chart for US dollar index. If we go to the upside, US dollar gonna get strong. And this is what happened. It has been ranging. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 week in a row, 5 or 6, I would say, in the same area. Up, down, up, down, up, down. But that agreement is out of the way now. And the petrodollar is no more a petrodollar. Then I think that is going to drop. And if it's going to drop, the first target would be 11.95. The second one would be 10.26, and even more to the downside. This is what I'm looking at as a triangle. So A, B, C, then D all the way here, then E here, and then drop big time. All right. So US dollar is about to lose its heat. And let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, right? So this is it for now. If you want to get the system to trade like I just showed you, all those trades, right? So go on my website here, and you can find here monthly subscription, yearly subscription, 6-month, whatever. And if you need to learn all these harmonic patterns and Elliott wave, mumbo jumbo, Fibonacci, how to use properly, this is one-on-one course right there. And also I have harmonic pattern, Elliott wave. The one I just showed you, that how I traded Euro USD for 115 and pound yen for like 1 for 70, the other one going up for 95 pip, and then the third one going down for 95 pip. 3 trades in 2 days, just for from one pair, 260 pip for one pair, because of that harmonic pattern. Here, let me see if I think I posted here as well, or trying to post here, I guess. Yeah, see this Euro USD, this was a chart, and it came down here, and the trade I took is like this. So I'm gonna post here on my pound yen charts and the trade as well, so you can study. And like I said, if you want to learn, come and join here one-on-one. Sign up. I will make you master of this mumbo jumbo here, and then everything becomes like a walk in a park. And if you just want to get the video course just so that you can watch and learn, then you can sign up here. not here, not courses here. Create Harmonic Pattern course and Elliott Wave course, right? And it teaches you every single thing has to do with the trading and all these patterns. And it's only the lucrative patterns that work really in the real market. All right. So this is it for now. Also, I have a Telegram. Oh, by the way, yeah, it's a warning, warning, warning. This Telegram channel, using my YouTube channel name, My Forex Magic Wave, that's the name of my YouTube channel, yes. And this is my picture, yes. But this is a fraud. This is a fraud going on. I do not have a channel, a Telegram channel under the name of My Forex Magic Wave. The only Telegram channel I have is under the same name as my website, Creative Trading System. That's it. And it's a private channel. It's not a public channel, right? It is only for paid subscribers. This is totally fraud, and do not fall for that. And don't give him anything. Look how much his money he's asking for. Invest 10,000 and get 200,000. Really? So this is totally a big fraud going on here, right? So please don't be a victim. And this is my warning for everyone. Whoever watches it, spread it out. That please do not fall for this stupid nonsense here. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the weekend. And see you in my webinars, hopefully, if you sign up. All right. So bye for now, and take care.